Hello, welcome to my channel. In this session, we'll learn about how to connect to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio and what is SQL Server Management Studio and what are the different authentication methods used to connect to SQL Server. So how we can connect? Now you need to have SQL Server Management Studio already installed on your machine. If not, you can search on web how to install SQL Server Management Studio. So once you have installed SQL Server Management Studio on your machine, to open that, go to Start menu and search for Management Studio. So based on the version number, you will get your SQL Server Management Studio here. Once you select SQL Server Management Studio, you will see a Connect to Server window coming up, and this is the place where we specify the information that is required by the SQL Server Management Studio to connect to SQL Server database. Now SQL Server Management Studio and the SQL Server database are two different things. Okay, so a database contains all the tables and the data or any SQL Server management object which you create, whether it could be views, triggers or table. All of these objects will be stored on database server, and to connect to the database server, the client tool that we generally use is SQL Server Management Studio. So SQL Server Management Studio is a client tool to connect to SQL database and not the server by itself. So as you see here, database server is stored centrally and this developer can connect to this database server using SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the window we see when we open SQL Server Management Studio for the first time. So now the first choice that we have to make is to specify the server type. Usually it's the database engine, but if you want to connect to analysis service, reporting service, or integration service, which are also called as SSAS, SSRS, and SSIS. So now we select database engine to connect to this database server. So now we just want to connect to database server. So we'll select database engine. Now you also need to specify the server name. If you have a database server on a centralized machine, then you need to specify the name or IP address of that server. So here on my machine, the database server and Sequence of Management Studio both are installed on my machine. So now we will specify local server for now, as you see here. So next important decision we have to make is how do we want to connect to the database server. Do you want to use Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication? Now the option here for you to connect depends on how you have configured SQL Server during installation. So basically there are two options while installing your server: mixed mode authentication and SQL Server authentication. So if you choose mixed mode, both of these options will be enabled. So for now, let's select Windows authentication. It will use automatically your Windows username and password to authenticate you. If you want to select SQL Server authentication, then you need to provide username and password which you will get while installing your SQL Server. So let's connect to local database server using Windows authentication. So here you see now we have connected to local database server. Then here you can see all the system database available here. Then security related stuffs. So this window on the left hand side is called Object Explorer, where you can see the database objects and you can explore through those database objects. Now if we have to write a query, then we need a space to do that. You need to click on New Query button at the top left hand side of the tool, which will give you a new query editor window where you can write and execute your queries. So as you see here, we have connected to local database server. So to type and execute your queries, we need a database. So what's the database? A database is a collection of tables and all your database object. Okay. So we'll see in the next session how to create, alter and drop a database, and we'll start writing our queries. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in next session.